Good morning, student. Today we will learn about the subset, union, and intersection. You already know about this concept in a previous classes. Subset. Suppose A and B are two non-empty set, and A is said to be a subset of B. This is the sign of subset. A is said to be a subset of a B if every element of A in B, suppose A equals to 1, 5, 6 and B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to check 1 in A and 1 is also in B. Okay. 5 in A, 5 is also in B. 6 in A, 6 is also in B. So every element of A in B, so A is a subset of B. Okay. Every element of A in B, so A is a subset of a B. Now union denoted by U. Suppose A and B are two non-empty set, so A union B equals to set of all those element which is either in A either in B. Okay. and अगर repeat हो रहे हैं तो we have to write only one time. Suppose A equals to 1, 5, 6 and B equals to 2, 5, 7, 9. Now A union B equals to all those all element. So 1, 5, 6, now 2, 2, 5, but 5 we already write here. Okay, so दोबारा हम नहीं लिखेंगे. Now 7, 7, 9, 9. So union is the set of all those elements which is either in A either in B. And intersection is A intersection B means set of all those elements which is common in both. Now common in both, suppose A equals to this and B equals to this, common 1 here, 1 is not here, 5 here, 5 is here, so one element is 5, other element 6 not common. So there is only one common element 5, so A intersection B equals to 5. Okay, now we have to solve a question number first, 6C exercise. If the universal set 1, 2, 3 and plus up to 8, 9, okay, and B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and C equals to 2, 3, 7 and D equals to 3, 6, 9 and E equals to 5 given, then solve that first part, A union B, and you know that the definition A union B which is either in A either in B, so check A union B, we have to find A union B and check A equals to given A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and B equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, C equals to 2, 3, 7 and D equals to A. So we have to find A union B. So A union B means set up all those elements which is either in A either in B. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now B 2, 2 already right here, 4 already right, 6, 6, 8, 8. This is the A union B. Okay. Now suppose we have to find A intersection B. So we have to find which is common, 1 not here, 2, 2, 1 common 2, 3 not 3, 4, 4. So there is only 2 common element, 2 and 4, then we have to write here, then this is a A intersection B. Now fourth part, D union phi, and a phi is this, phi is empty set, means phi have no element, so D union phi means D, because either in A, either in D, either in phi, but phi have no element, so this is equals to D, and a D equals to 3, 6, 9. Okay. Now next, seventh part, A complement. You know that A complement means universal set minus A in your book. This is denoted by universal set. This. So A complement means universal set minus A, all those element of universal set which is not in A, all those element of universal set which is not in A. So check, 1 is here and 1 is also here, so in that set 1 is not here. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, तो जो भी एलिमेंट हमारे ए में हैं वो ए ट्रांसपोज में नहीं आएंगे, ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट में नहीं आएंगे वो एलिमेंट जो ए में हैं, बिकॉज ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स सेट ऑफ ऑल दोज एलिमेंट जो कि सिर्फ यूनिवर्सल सेट में हैं बट ए में नहीं है। तो 1 है तो 1 यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा, 2, 2 नॉट हियर, 3, 3 है नहीं होगा, 4, 4 नहीं है, बट 5 नहीं है तो 5, 6 नॉट हियर, 6, 7 नॉट हियर, 8 नॉट, 9 नॉट, सो ए complement equals to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now we have to find question number 10th, A union B complement, and A union B complement means universal set minus A union B. Okay, set of all those element of universal set which is not in A union B, and this is the our A union B. तो 1, 1 नहीं आएगा, 2, 2 not, 3, 3 not, 4, 4, 5, 5 is not here, so 5 first element 5, 6, 6, 6 here, 7 not here तो 7, 8, 8 not, 9, 9. So set of all those element of universal set which is not in A union B. तो देखो A 1 यहाँ था नहीं आएगा, 2 2 था नहीं आएगा, 3 3 यहाँ पे था नहीं आएगा, 4 4 यहाँ पे है नहीं आएगा, 5 नहीं है यहाँ पर सो 5, ऐसे ही 6 6 है नहीं आएगा, 7 7 इज नॉट हियर सो 7, 8 8 इज हियर 8 नहीं आएगा, 9 9 इज नॉट हियर सो 9. सो दिस इज द A union B complement. Thank you.